हम बेटियां हम इनकलाबी बेटियां, हम बेटियां ताहिर की हैं शहजादियां शहजादियां। बातिल से हम टकराएंगी, हक का अलम लहराएंगी, हम फैज़ याब करबला, हम फातिमा की बादियां। Assalamu alaikum girls. Are you wishing for a fairy tale love, romance and marriage? Is love allowed in Islam? Seeking for true love? What is the condition of your heart? Are you in a constant struggle between your heart and your mind? Is marriage necessary? Is career important? Arranged marriage versus love marriage? If you have all of these doubts, then do join in. I would like to invite you all for the third Bintul Muslim Council workshop, which is on love, fantasy, and reality. Do join us. Organized by the All India Muslim Personal Law Board Women's Wing and the Bintul Muslim Council. This weekend, that is 28th and 29th August. Looking forward to meeting you all, In Shaa Allah. Clear your doubts and make informed choices.
बड़ी मुआज़्ज़ज़